Thank you for watching our video. In the coming 10 minutes may be boring, but we still hope you pay a little attention on it and enjoy our achievement done in previous week.
Based on the challenge-based learning process, we started the project from the big idea, and then set up the challenge, essential questions, and the guiding activities. Finally, we generated a final product to our project.
Let's start with our big idea. Among these numerous ideas, we choose aging as our big idea, as it triggered a heated debate in Hong Kong, and we want to focus on osteoporosis. According to International Osteoporosis Foundation, there are 8.6 million of osteoporotic fractures present annually in the world. For Chinese, there are about 70 million people who over the age of 50 are affected by osteoporosis. Epidemiological study shows that hip fracture incidence has increased by 300% from the 1960s to 1990s. For our challenge, we have a concern with how to slow down the progress of osteoporosis among the elderly. We want to increase the knowledge of elderly towards osteoporosis. And now, let's talk about our three essential questions. First, what is osteoporosis? Osteoporosis is a disease in which the density and quality of the bone reduced. As bone become more porous and fragile, the risk of fracture is greatly increased. Often there are no symptoms until the first fracture occurs. Second, how to prevent osteoporosis. There are three major factors to prevent osteoporosis: regular exercise, balanced diet, and daily habits. Third, how to self-manage osteoporosis. As we mentioned that before, there is no symptoms until the first fracture occurs. A regular health check may help you to identify the bone health. The common way is the bone density test. The T-score in the test will show the level of bone density. After our study, we find out that there is no significant data showing the awareness of the osteoporosis on the elderly. Meanwhile, we cannot measure the bone density level by naked eyes. Therefore, we plan that these guiding activities could get the actual knowledge and influence the elderly. First, the street interview. The first part of our interview is to have a 1-minute osteoporosis risk test with the elderly. We assess their non-modifiable factors such as aging and past history, and their modifiable risk factors such as smoking and exercise. We interview with the elderly in Oilman Estate. We present the knowledge of the osteoporosis to the elderly on the street. We discuss any risk factor and event may cause the osteoporosis, as the sign and symptom is easy to neglect. We want to increase the awareness of the disease, as we understand osteoporosis may cause different body discomfort, even the serious bone fracture when falling. Furthermore, we give suggestions about the prevention of osteoporosis based solely on the diet and the daily exercise. We appreciate that lots of elderly accept our interview gladly. Second, the bone density test activities. After our street interview, we invited some of the respondents to participate in the bone density test in Amway Experience Center in Mongkok. Firstly, nutritionists collected their personal data and did a briefly measurement of their weights and heights. Then, they started the bone density test by the bone sonometer. The participants required putting one of their feet on the sonometer. A few minutes later, the results came out. After that, the nutritionists will, according to their results, provide some suggestions on their diet and daily exercise. As the consultation involving personal privacy, we cannot recall the procedure of the test. We greatly thank for the help of Amway and the participation of the elderly. Our study involved only a small population. Therefore, we designed the leaflet as our final product and delivered to elderly widely.
Here is the final product of our group. The leaflet is about the osteoporosis, including the pathophysiology, risk factor, sign and symptom, and the prevention. Considering the educational level of the elderly, we use simple Chinese to present our information. Meanwhile, we insert some image as a subsidiary when we present to the elderly. For the characters, we use font size 20, as many elderly were suffering from blur. In the color aspect, we use dark background with white words, which create contradiction so that the leaflet is more eye-catching and easy to accept.
We hope that more elderly can receive our message. Our project is just a start. The promotion work is never end.
Last but not least, we hope all of you enjoy the video and take more care to your bones. Thank you for watching this video. Please give us a thumbs up and share this to your friends and your family.